Ever wanted to record a Zoom meeting and do some very small editing? That's what we're going to do now. So in this video, we're going to use the free version of Zoom, record a very short meeting, and then we are going to edit it using the free editor on the MacBook. The free editor we'll be using is iMovie, which is available from the Apple Store. So first of all, in Zoom, we want to hit record to start recording the meeting.
Recording in progress.
Get the message recording in progress, and as we can see, the recording is happening up here, and we can stop that recording now. We've got a little snippet ready to save. So let's see what happens here.
Recording stopped.
The recording will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So we'll end this meeting right now. End meeting for all. And then we see converting meeting recording. It's obviously very small. Now, that is our video file ready for editing. So this is part 2, is we are now going to edit that file and make some small changes to it. Now, the free editor that we are going to use that comes with the Mac, also available on iPhone and iPad, is iMovie. If you don't have it, you can view it in the Mac App Store, and as you can see, iMovie comes totally price free. Hey! So we're going to download that and do the install. So now that you have got iMovie open, okay, we'll skip the welcome steps. Get started. Let's go. I'm not going to show you all around iMovie. I'm just going to show you what we're going to do is import that video, which was from Zoom. Now, if you want to see where your Zoom recordings are, we are using the free plan for Zoom and recording them straight to the computer. So you click on recording here and go to computer recordings, and that is going to show you exactly where your Zoom meeting is. So we go in there, and there are the Zoom recordings. Okay, there we go. And then this is my latest video, which is this one here. Import selected. So it's a very short clip, and there it is there. So I'm just going to drag it down. So I just grab it here and drag it down here. And what we can see here is I want to shorten the clip. You can see here, this is the sound. This is the audio of the clip. So what I want to do is I can drag this right across to there, just to where the audio starts. If I want to snip out a bit, all I do is I click on there within the video, and then I can right click and go split clip. Okay. And now I may want to take out this part here as well. Split clip again. And there I can just click on that and click delete. And there we go. I've deleted that section of the audio. If I want to add in some titles, I can just do that. We can do a lower third, which will be on the bottom of the video. I'll just drag it down there, and then I'm going to type in, and that's it. There is so much more that you can learn about video. You could add music. You can do transitions to swap in from one scene to another. You can add in other things too, other media, other images, photos, and so on. But that is the basics of iMovie in its very, very basic form. So that's enough to get you started. We're going to go File, and it automatically saves your videos, which is great. I could add in some backgrounds, all kinds of things. And now I'm going to export that. So I just click on this share button up here, and I want to go export file. Okay, I'll change the name. and where I want to save it. And there you go. You've now got the movie ready to play. Of course, there is so much more that you can learn about video editing, and you can use other editors as well. But if you just want to get started with recording a video on Zoom, cutting out some bits that you don't want, add some titles in, and then putting it all together so that you can upload it onto YouTube or share it with somebody through Dropbox or Google Drive or some other way, then you're done. Okay, how good is that? iMovie is free. The Zoom version I'm using is free, and you can record a Zoom meeting onto your local computer and then edit it with iMovie. Let me know how you go.